I just think this renovation is going to be so important, not only for the area, but just for all of the lives that have gone through this whole train station.
I have a clear memory of being in the main waiting room and looking up at the ceiling, and it was like it was the biggest room that I could ever remember.
This is the Michigan Avenue station.
The biggest dream I have for Detroit is education. For schools, the little children, all the way to college.
I actually think we're in transition. It's so exciting and vibrant to see this transition and this renaissance actually happening for Detroit.
My wish is keep Detroit going, keep on shining.
I would say hopeful. Something to really look forward to. Hopeful that everything turns out in the direction that it's going.